So if we can buy clothes, shoes, groceries, and in this pandemic, pretty much everything online, then why can't we buy a car online? Wait a minute, yes we can. Today I'm gonna buy a Hyundai Creta while I make my coffee. While my coffee is being made, I am gonna go on Hyundai.com, click to buy, select the car I want, and I want the new Hyundai Creta. Diesel or petrol? Diesel. Manual or automatic? Automatic. Select your color, select your dealership, enter your basic details, and my coffee is done. I just got a call from the dealership to process documentation and finance.
Let's go for a next long drive.